Well, for men, especially over the age of 50, an enlarged prostate can cause problems when it comes to going to the bathroom. This morning, we're learning about shockwave therapy as a treatment option with Dr. Patrick Cho, president of Activation Clinic, and Dr. John Hunter, a patient at Activation Clinic. Good morning, you guys.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here. And first, Dr. Cho, before we get into all the treatments, what exactly is an enlarged prostate?
Well, just like the name says, it's an enlarged prostate. It gets bigger, also known as benign prostatic hypertrophy. Just all men will get it at one point in time, so your prostate enlarges, and it causes certain symptoms. It compresses the urethra, and it has difficulty urinating and increases frequency of urination. So it's a big problem.
Definitely, and it affects so many different people. But good news is there is treatment available. So can you tell us about extracorporeal shock wave therapy and how exactly it helps men with enlarged prostates?
Well, extracorporeal shock wave therapy is a non-invasive, pain-free therapy that's very effective in resolving the issues related to enlarged prostate, such as, like I said before, increased frequency of urination and difficulty urinating.
Okay, and exactly how does that work, and how many different treatments does a patient typically need?
Well, the extracorporeal shock wave, what it is pulsed-out sound waves, and when you apply it to any tissue, it breaks up fibrotic tissue, it helps regenerate healthy tissue, as well as increase blood flow to that area. Typically, patients get 8 to 12 weekly treatments. The treatments are very short, maybe 15-20 minutes, and there's no downtime, so it's very convenient. Patients can get it during their lunch breaks.
Okay, and I mean, that sounds great, right? It can work very effectively, and also it doesn't really influence your life too much, right? There's no downtime. But how successful is it?
Oh, it's been very successful.
Awesome.
It's helped a lot of patients regain their quality of life, because it's a very difficult problem, with your urination. But we've had great success, and we have Dr. Hunter here, who is a doctor as well as a patient at the Activation Clinic, and he's had very great experience with it, so he can discuss that with you.
Yeah, Dr. Hunter, how long have you been dealing with your prostate issues?
I unfortunately started having prostate symptoms as early as in my late 30s.
Wow.
So for most of my adult life, it's been straining to urinate and getting up frequently at night to try and empty the bladder. After Dr. Cho gave me the shockwave treatments, all of that reversed to the point where there's no straining, there's no getting up at night. It's really been a huge change in my life because, I went from always having to worry where the nearest bathroom was and stuff, not being able to make it through a movie in the movie theater. And now I go to sleep at 9:30 or 10 and sleep until 6 in the morning without interruption, and it's really been wonderful.
That's awesome to hear. So again, life-changing procedure, treatment option. So make sure you hit up Dr. Cho. If people want to get in touch, how can they find you?
Oh, so they can go to our website, activationclinic.com, or they can give us a call at 379-2000, and we're located on 1229 Yonge Street.
Perfect. And we'll have all of that information as well on our website at KH12.com. Dr. Cho, Dr. Hunter, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
All right, so much